Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable pop-up typing notifications on Snapchat so you never miss when someone starts typing a message. If you've ever wanted to see typing alerts instantly on your screen, this setting is what you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls are managed. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section shows you a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. You'll now see all the app-specific settings related to Snapchat. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you control how Snapchat alerts you. Now, look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This section lets you customize different types of notifications individually. Scroll until you find typing and tap on it. This controls notifications when someone is actively typing a message to you. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Show as Pop-up. Turn this toggle on. Once enabled, you'll start receiving pop-up alerts on your screen whenever someone is typing to you on Snapchat. It's a great way to stay updated in real time without constantly opening the app. And that's it.